As we're getting closer to the CBSE English exam, let's sail through this journey with confidence and a bit of positivity. Here are some quick tips to make your preparation as smooth as sliding down a water slide. Before the big day, use your 15-minute reading time wisely. Focus on the unseen passages like a detective on a mission. Trust me, they're the key to scoring well. Total of 22 marks. Crack the unseen passages and writing skills within the first half hour, including the reading time. That's 40 marks in the bag. Reading section. Sneak a peek at the questions before diving into the passages. It's like getting a sneak preview into a blockbuster movie. Practice 3 to 4 reading comprehensions a day to flex those reading muscles. Writing section. Revise those formats like you're preparing for a big performance. Practice them 3 times to get them just right. Remember the beginnings and endings of your essays. It's like the opening act of a show. Stick to the word limits, not too short, not too long, but just right. Literature section. Dive into those chapters and don't leave any behind. Start with the long questions first, tackle the big fish before dessert. Summaries and points to remember are your secret weapons. Don't skip them. Even if you're unsure, scribble something about the chapter or characters. You might stumble upon a hidden perspective. Remember, no negative marking for attempting. Don't hesitate to try, even if you're not sure. And most importantly, no cheating. We're in this together, and we'll tackle it honorably. Lastly, remember, I'm rooting for you always. My prayers are with you. Have faith in your preparations.